What if you could capture the world with so much detail that you could zoom into a photo of a mountain and see the individual needles on a pine tree miles away? For years, the photography world has been locked in a fierce battle of megapixels, speed, and intelligence. But as we move into 2026, Sony is preparing to drop a nuclear bomb on the mirrorless market. This isn't just an update to a camera line. This is the arrival of the Sony A7R VI. It is the machine that aims to make medium-format cameras irrelevant and turn every enthusiast into a master of light. The rumors coming out of Tokyo are more than just whispers. They are a warning to every other camera manufacturer. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are looking at a sensor that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was physically possible for a full-frame body. But with great power comes massive controversy. Is Sony pushing too many pixels? Will this camera overheat the moment you hit the record button? And most importantly, is it worth the staggering price tag that is rumored to follow its release? Today, we are tearing down the leaks, analyzing the secret sensor patents, and giving you the truth about the most anticipated camera of the decade. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the resolution. The A7R V gave us 61 megapixels, which was already breathtaking. But the A7R VI is rumored to feature a brand new 95 megapixel Exmor BSI CMOS sensor. Let that sink in for a moment. 95 megapixels. This means you could crop your image by 400% and still have more detail than most professional cameras have in their full frame. For landscape photographers, this is the holy grail. For fashion and commercial shooters, it's a game changer. But it's not just about the numbers. This new sensor is reportedly using a triple-layer stacked architecture, which drastically improves light gathering and noise reduction. You aren't just getting more pixels, you're getting better ones. But a sensor with that much data creates a massive problem: speed. How do you process 95 megapixels of raw data without the camera slowing to a crawl? The answer is the Bion's XR2 processor. Leaked benchmarks suggest this chip is twice as fast as the one found in the flagship Sony A1. This allows the A7R VI to shoot at a staggering 20 frames per second in full resolution with complete autofocus tracking. Imagine shooting a bird in flight or a fast-moving car and having every single one of those 95 megapixel frames perfectly in focus. It's a level of precision that feels almost like cheating. Speaking of autofocus, Sony is doubling down on artificial intelligence. The A7R VI is rumored to include a dedicated AI processing unit 2.0. This isn't just about recognizing eyes and faces anymore. This new system is trained on deep learning models to recognize insects, aircraft, trains, and even specific types of athletes based on their gear. The camera won't just follow a subject, it will understand the intent of the movement. If a person walks behind a pillar, the AI calculates their speed and predicts exactly where they will emerge, locking back onto the eye in a fraction of a millisecond. It is, quite simply, the smartest autofocus system ever put into a consumer device. Now, let's talk about video. The R series has traditionally been for stills, but in 2026, every camera must be a hybrid monster. The leaks suggest the A7R VI will be capable of 8K 60p video with full sensor readout.